there. I'm here today with my new Instant Pot A60 blender, and I'm going to make a smoothie. And so the smoothie I'm going to make is a green smoothie with peanut butter, strawberries, and a little bit of vanilla flavor. So let's get started. So the first step in making a blended smoothie using this Instant Pot blender is to add your liquid. And so I've got about a cup of almond milk here. And then second, if you're going to add any sweetener or any type of powdered substance, that goes after the liquid. And so I'm going to use my Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. I'm going to add a scoop of those next. And then after you've added your powdered substances, you want to add any leafy greens if you're going to use any. And so I've got some kale and spinach here. Just going to add the kale. Then add the spinach. After you've added your leafy greens, anything soft that's going in goes next. And so I've got a little bit of Greek yogurt here. And then I've got some natural peanut butter. So this is all natural, no added sugar. And then last, I'm gonna add my frozen fruit. I have some frozen strawberries. Lock the lid on top. All right, now we're ready to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna select the smoothie option. It's doing its Instant Pot countdown. All right, so let's see what we have here. It looks really green and healthy, which is great. So I'm gonna remove this so I can smell the peanut butter. It smells so good. Pour this in. Of course I would drop some. I knew that was gonna happen. All right, it looks really smooth and I've got my straw. So let's give it a taste. Wow, that consistency, it's perfect. Everything is freshly blended up in there. There's no gritty or greeny taste from the green vegetables. And the peanut butter really gives it a nice taste to help complement a little bit of the bite that you can sometimes experience when eating kale. This is perfect. I actually think this is very comparable to a Vitamix, but maybe you can do more things in a Vitamix. I'm impressed. And so I hope you'll try this recipe, and I hope you like and subscribe and check out What to Do Next using the Instant Pot blender.